Good morning. Today is March 27. So papakita natin ang accomplishment from March 17 up to March 26 yesterday. So itong unit sa 3A tsaka 3C, fully finished na siya at lock na since March 24. Good morning. So ayan, napinturahan na rin yung bubong, primer at saka top coat. Napalitan na rin yung maliit na bubong na yung mahaba. Napinturahan na yung mga poste kahapon. Nakapag wall tile sa CR. Ito, wala pang tiles. So ayan, kulang na lang ng downspout pipe. That's all for today's video. Ayan ang view ng ating roof deck, Mount Makiling.